Your 11 Alive storm trackers will likely be tracking wintry weather as we head into your Thursday. I'm meteorologist Samantha Moore, one of your 11 Alive storm trackers. So we're going to be busy, and we do have that winter weather advisory that's in place, particularly here in northeast Georgia, where 1 to 2 inches of snow is expected. Just a half an inch expected here across parts of northwest Georgia, and we could see slick spots developing with some freezing rain prior to the onset of the snow. So that would be early tomorrow, mid-morning perhaps. A tenth of an inch of freezing rain is possible. And we're going to show you two models here. This is the American model, the GFS, and it shows the onset of the wintry precip right around lunchtime or a little bit after that, around 1 o'clock, moving in to the south, but staying here in the highest elevation. So this is the American model. Now I'm going to put on the European model so we can compare them. And they weren't looking much alike at all, but now they're looking a lot more alike. So that gives us more confidence in this forecast. And you can see that it starts a little bit earlier here, maybe around 11, 12 o'clock, according to the Euro, and doesn't come quite as far south by 1 o'clock. And then it extends a little further south during the evening hours with that 1 to 2 inches of snow in the highest elevations in North Georgia after that onset of a little bit of freezing rain. So the roads could be slick. Take it easy out there. Now, for everyone else, it's going to be a cold, cold rain. And I mean cold, with temperatures in the mid-30s for most of the afternoon tomorrow and widespread rain. And we're talking right around 1 inch to 1.5 inches across the Atlanta metro area. And then more rain coming next week. Just so you know, just heads up, as we could end up seeing more in addition to what we've already had this month, another 1.5 to 2.5 inches. Okay, timing of everything. The rain really doesn't move in until overnight and really into the early morning hours, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. And then it picks up in intensity for the morning commute. Notice that transition. This is another model yet that we use daily here at 11 Alive. Shows that transition starting to happen over to some freezing rain, maybe around 7:30. So the morning commute there in Rabun County, and then extending to the south by noon, all the way across to Union County, Fannin County as well by the noon hour. Everyone else will be seeing that northeasterly wind, temperatures in the 30s, and a cold rain for the duration of the day. Well, watch a few flakes flying here. They could come close to Gainesville before things start to dry up during the evening hours. So by 6:30, this event should be over in North Georgia. The rain should be starting to taper off here in Atlanta. A few showers on the backside of it, but then just dry, very cold air plunging in for the weekend, for the start of the weekend. So Friday and Saturday are looking dry, but very chilly after this rainfall. So a 100% chance of rain on our Thursday, a good soaking rain, and then it should dry out by Friday. Temperatures dropping down below freezing Friday morning. It'll be a chilly day on Friday, staying in the 40s all day. Saturday, we see a little more sunshine and temperatures start to rebound back a little bit closer to where we should be this time of year. And then the clouds roll in on Sunday with more rain anticipated, as I was talking about, next week, Monday and Tuesday of next week. Another 1.5 to 2.5 inches is possible. So we'll be watching this wet pattern continue and that wintry precip right here on 11 Alive.